Welcome back to woodcraft716.com. I'm Mike Weibel, and on this channel we build awesome projects with inexpensive tools. And I'll prove it by building this bench with these tools that we bought for under 200 bucks. I just wanted to take a minute and let you know about an upcoming video that I have coming out where we bought all these tools and the materials for this bench for under $200. We're going to build it and sell it for $200 and get all these tools for free. So if you're new to woodworking, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon, because I also have a big announcement to make at the end of that video. So you're not going to want to miss that. And I bought these tools at Harbor Freight and Lowe's, and I'm not affiliated with either one of them. I bought it with my own money, and we're going to use them to build this bench. I know this was a short video. I just wanted to get you guys as pumped up as I am about the new video and the announcement at the end. On this next video, I'm hoping to create and inspire with all of you. And as always, thank you for watching and supporting this channel. I'll see you on this next build video.